Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today we're looking at a paper from the Hugging Face trending list, published on October 3, 2025, about 3 days ago. The headline is clear. This paper introduces CoDA, a collaborative multi-agent system for natural language to visualization that beats strong baselines by up to 41.5%. The paper is titled CoDA, Agentic Systems for Collaborative Data Visualization, and as we'll see later, the gains are both robust and practical. In short, specialized agents use metadata-first analysis, structured planning, and image-based self-evaluation to handle messy multi-file data and iterative refinement reliably. Figure 1 shows that the collaborative agent system consistently matches the intended visuals more closely than competing methods. The panels compare outputs against ground truth across tasks like polar bars, 3D topography, mixed pie and stacked bars, and energy flow. An LLM evaluator, an automated judge that scores plots for correctness in design, assigns higher scores to the rightmost column. Failures cluster in the middle columns because single agents mishandle 3D structure and multi-source integration. Well, Figure 2 shows the end-to-end pipeline that turns a natural language request into a finished plot. The understanding phase extracts intent and metadata, which keeps tokens low and clarifies data shape. The planning phase maps visuals and searches examples to set chart types and design choices. The generation phase writes and debugs code. The self-reflection loop, a feedback cycle that scores the image and requests fixes, ensures clarity and correctness before stopping. So, Figure 2 showed the end-to-end flow. Table 1 summarizes what each agent takes in and hands off. The list called the global TODO captures the required steps in plain language, which keeps the whole team of agents aligned. The visual evaluator scores the produced image and requests fixes so quality does not regress. The debug agent executes the script, searches for solutions, and patches errors before returning a clean plot. So Table 2 reports head-to-head results on 2 benchmarks and shows CoDA leading overall. On the MatplotBench block, the overall score reaches about 80, which reflects both high execution reliability and strong visual quality. Execution pass rate hits 99, indicating code almost always runs. On the Qwen Code Interpreter block, the overall score lands at 89, driven by especially high visualization success. Visualization success rate is about 95, so the plots match intent closely across diverse tasks. Wrapping up, 2 takeaways stand out. Collaborative agent teams with metadata-first planning and image-based self-reflection deliver big quality gains, up to about 42%, while keeping execution near flawless. The broader implication is clear. Future natural language to visualization will rely on coordinated agents, not one-shot code generation. That is it for this episode of the AI Research Roundup. I am Alex. Thanks for listening.